Vice Chancellor Dr. Khalid Muraki is always with us. He is always give a lot of support, give always the courage and give for the progress of the Confucius Institute. This year is also I hope that this year will bring further strengthening between Pakistan-China friendship. Confucius Institute is now in the 7th year after the establishment of, and now we have a lot of students, about 700-800 students in our institute, and about 6 to 7 sites, teaching sites in different education institutions in Karachi city. So due to pandemic, we are not be able to organize this.
All those SOPs and all those regulations, and I was so amazed that there were billions of trees, but I didn't find even a leaf over there on the roadside. It was so clean, it was so wonderful, the environment was very amazing. I had visited the historical places also. I had also been to the theatre, which is a very popular, somewhat being related to the Chinese culture. I had been to all those places which are somewhat very much important and maybe contributing a crucial role into the development of the society. I found people on the roadside, they had been doing yoga, they had been doing Tai Chi, and they had been just enjoying their well-being, and no segregation of age had been over there. And wonderful people, very friendly, very cooperative. Although we don't visited the different places, they usually try to communicate to us and try to just know about the emotions and the feeling
around. And when we landed at the airport, it was the first experience. We thought it is China. It is China. It was very different, in fact. We thought Pakistan-China relationship are sweeter than honey, taller than Himalaya, and deeper than any ocean. But the experience was based on reality, not the words. Of course, this was the first experience, and we didn't mind it. We were still on the trip to begin, basically. And what I experienced basically is that it is a society totally copied West. The houses, the dresses, the vehicles, equipments, tools, interaction, interfaces. But one thing was missing, that is the people don't talk about politics. Nobody talks. Nobody dares to talk. But still, the visit at the Sichuan Normal University.
Spring Festival is the most important festival for Chinese. Today is the eve of the New Year, and it is a time for family reunion in China. So we're very grateful on this important occasion. We can gather together like a family. And in the last 2 years in my stay here, I felt I'm part of Karachi University and included in this university. I'm becoming one member of the big family. And so I welcome all the friends with Sichuan Normal University and Karachi University. The three parties, Sichuan Normal University and Karachi University and the Center for Language Education and Cooperation in China under the Ministry of Education. We signed the agreement in November last year to start this program. The students of Karachi University will learn Chinese for 2 years here, and then they study Chinese for another 2 years in Sichuan Normal University. They will be funded by scholarship provided by the Center for Language Education and Cooperation. So all this are done through the support of the Vice Chancellor and all the deans and professors and friends here. So I really appreciate all your support and help in our work. And we are expecting more cooperation and more development, not only in bachelor program, but also in research and other people-to-people contact program. This year is the 70th anniversary, as Professor Nasser said, 70th anniversary for the establishment of Pak-China diplomatic relationship. So we are expecting more programs and more interaction between our two universities, and CI as the bridge to collect Karachi University and Sichuan Normal University. We are expecting to do more for our students and our university.
The values we have with People's Republic of China. So there was two people, Professor Dr. Akhtar Baloch, Vice Chancellor, Liari University. So his introduction was incomplete, and he has been to China and he talked about the different aspects of China. I think today it's about expressing our feeling to our Chinese people that in your days of enjoyment, we are with you people. What New Year festival is all about, it is just like Americans' Thanksgiving. It is Eid in Pakistan and Shab-e-Barat in Pakistan. It's about firecrackers, right? And it's about family gathering. And it's about connecting the family. That's what the New Year festival is all about. And the very important part is they got 10 days holidays. So it's about, I think it is our culture, that the Pakistani culture, that we should celebrate, or we celebrate the festival of other nations as well. So keeping the spirit, the University of Karachi has organized this event. And to have an understanding that how we can have a people-to-people contact in the field of economy, Pakistan, politics. But Belt and Road Initiative in the context of CPAC is a very important project for Pakistan for its economic development, because it provides connectivity, and that's what is required in terms of our economic development. After Baloch talk about, no one talks in politics about in China, but people talk about their growth. People talk about their progress. I think those nations have made progress where there is economic development. And we have learned from the other nations as well, that how we can contribute in terms of economic culture. We enjoy their food as well. I particularly like lots of food. I spent around 7 days, 6 to 5 days in China, and every day I got a different taste of Chinese food. Not like Pakistani China, right? But I'm really thankful of Sabka and all the people, whether it's the director, Inshallah Ta'ala, with other nations as well, we are going to celebrate their success. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Also, I would like to thank every participant and every guest for coming over here and celebrate a new year with us. Shin Nian Khwaila. Happy New Year. Thank you.